You're being a little punk. Why are you being a little punk? Look at you. Fake crying, now you're smiling. Mr. Bipolar. Now you're smiling. Yeah. You're such a faker. You're such a faker. You're such a faker. Hey. Hey. You're such a faker. You're such a faker. And now you're laughing. And now you're laughing. Oh. No. No. So silly.
This swing doesn't work. So it's her swing. So yeah, I just attached a ribbon to it and I'm pulling it from over here. I'll let it go and let it just slow down when he gets fussy. So yeah, he's tired. His swing is in our room. Right, baby? He's just watching TV. Yep, my invention.
Good morning. You have a scratch on your face. Huh? Say good morning. What's the matter? Hi.
You were just talking up a storm right now. What happened?
You're not gonna say good morning? No? He just shook his head no. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Yeah? You don't want to? Okay. Say I love you. You're being a punk. Why being a punk?
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse? Well, all right.
Who's that? Is that Mickey Mouse?
Oh, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Miska, Moska, Mickey Mouse. Say it with me.
Look, Mickey Mouse. Look. No, look at the TV. Look at the TV.
Everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Look at the TV.
Well, all right. Let's go. Oh, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear.
Who's Dad?
Say the magic words.
No, look at Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Say it with me.
Say it with him.
Miska, Moska, Mickey Mouse.
Ah, you're just more interested in my phone. You're more interested in my phone. Little punk.
Buddy, it's me, Mickey Mouse.
Look.
Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse? Well, all right. Let's go. Oh, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Miska, Moska, Mickey Mouse. Say it with me. Miska, Moska, Mickey Mouse.
Sit up, baby, sit up. Good boy. You did it. I got it on camera. Now you're going too far forward. Get up, baby. Get up. Up, 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 up. Not too far back. Put your hands. In front of you. There you go. Ugh. Our turn. Now you're trying to... You were sitting up. Hold on. Oh, well, there you go. Falling back again. See if you can get up. Can you get up again? Can you get up again? Get up. Sit up. Come on. You're not even trying. You're not even trying. Come on. Come on. Here. Give me your hand. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Boink. Okay, you're done.